And I know that I say this in each and every video, but trust me on this. This is absolutely phenomenal. I mean, I gave a couple of these jars to some of my friends and they all approved of it. They said that this is the best bean zakúska that they ever ate. So I highly recommend you to try it, and leave me a comment down below, share, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, have a great day. Bye. And I know that it's not polite to speak with your mouth full, but this is absolutely great. Bye.